inside.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. But as y'all can see, I'm doing a birthday photo shoot, and the theme is black, but I accessorized with red. So yeah, we're just outside here. It's 6:30 in the morning. We wanted to capture the sunrise. Yeah, so just good vibes. Yeah. Right now the photographer is setting up over there because we need more light. So subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Like, share and comment. Yeah, and keep on watching.
Sua zote. Hi Shiko.
Hi.
Today I'm interviewing you. Happy birthday Shiko.
Thank you.
How's the day?
The day is amazing.
Uh-huh.
This balloons are but the shoot is being on so well.
Yeah, it
We're
is.
gonna get some more photos.
Absolutely.
Then that's fun.
Haifai kuwa mbele yako. Anafaa kuwa mbele ama ndio hiyo ni reflection in hit uso. Boom, boom, boom. Aki mtu akiwa hii side ndio light inakaa poa kwa hii video. Hebu do it again. 12, 12, 12, 12. Hey. Ooh.
When you go inside the estate now, this is what
Tunapata
you
hizo
capture.
glow.
Here I'm going for saturated, just capturing the outdoor.
Yeah, we changed up to this little dress, and we had some shots with the balloons, others without the balloons. I can't wait for you guys to see them. Yeah, that entry looking cute. house, changed up to more comfortable clothes, but I'm not gonna remove my makeup because the party is about to get started in a few hours. So I want to have breakfast, helping prepare breakfast for the family, and as you can see over there, decor is being done. So I want to show you guys the decor courtesy of Kadia Events. Check her out on Instagram at Kadia Events. Oh, theme is black and yellow, as you can see. So still setting up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the end results in a few.
What happened?
This is the progress, guys. We are adding more balloons, sticking them to the roof to make this pattern. All thanks to Kadia Events. And we have our chefs cooking. Yeah. This is what?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken, courtesy of Chef Steve KE. Chapos by the one and only Nyaru. Hadi zinafunikangwa na kakitambaa.
They have to be clean in a towel. So we're waiting for them to rest. These are soft layered chapati.
Soft layered chapati. And then you guys, I'm doing a surprise like a surprise for my friend who is pregnant. So this is baby shower decor over here, and yes, this is the rest of the decor.
But most importantly, we're sisters, and nothing can change that.
Olewa sasa umezeka, olewa sasa.
Ngoja, lazima tumalize vizuri. Haya, ni kitu kingine amezeka afanye nini? Hello. Haya, amezeka nunua plot ya? Umezeka nunua plot.
Umezeka nunua ploti.
Umezeka
nunua